Good morning, everybody. It's actually early. It's probably about 10 o'clock. We're stopping for breakfast at Dunkin' Donuts. These places are everywhere here in Florida, and this is my first time here. Alright, we'll let you know how it was. Okay, everyone, we're gonna go down to the beach now. We just came back, ate our donuts. Those are actually pretty good. Now we're going down to the beach for the day, and yeah, I mean, I hope everyone's having a great day, and thanks for coming along. Guys, we've made it to the beach. Wow, it looks really nice. It's hot today, it's really hot. There's not much of a breeze, but lo and behold, the beach. I guess this is one of the nicest beaches around here because there's like no rocks in the sand and the water. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much that. This is our day. Pete has a friend coming tonight, so we have to go back pretty soon, like around 4. I think it's like noon right now. But for like 4 hours, 3 hours, something like that, this is where we're gonna be. Alright. Hello, everybody. It is absolutely gorgeous here. The water is actually really like a perfect temperature. We had to come out because there were sharks. Oh wait, those are dolphins. It's actually really hot right now, and I have salt water in my eyes, and it's just a terrible time right now. I'm gonna go have to rinse my eyes out in the water soon so I can get the salt out. Yeah, well, that's what's going on right here, right now in Florida. Trevor? Yeah. Any words? I can't think of anything. So those are the words for today. Yesterday was not really, or something like that. Stay tuned for more inspirational quotes from Trevor.
Better known as the Pizza Nazi. Pizza Nazi.
You heard it. We're at Bizarro's.
Better known as the Pizza
Nazi. It's a pizza shop, and we ordered some pizzas. And well, this pizza is freaking huge. We're done at the beach. We're going back to the house after this, and we're gonna see Pete's friends soon. Trevor, have you thought of anything to say? No. Alright, well, he'll say something inspirational before this vlog ends. Okay, that's your job. Alright, see you later. Well, we were probably looking for about 20 minutes for a Charmeleon that was on our nearby. And we didn't get it. Now we're on the way home, and it feels very good in this car.
Only 94.
94. But I guarantee you it feels like at least 100 because of the humidity.
Okay. We get it, guys.
It's warm.
You're not used to it.
You were complaining too.
I was not.
Oh, I gotta get my upper body nice and cool.
It's because my pits are stinky. And
okay.
I wanted to cool them off.
Alright. So now everyone knows that Pete has stinky pits. We're gonna go back and get in the pool.
Well, you like embarrassing me, so I might as well just make it good. Make it good, real good.
Yeah, well, then that's our plan. Pete's friend is still coming. I'm surprised nothing's changed yet. This could be all a big prank.
Yeah. Okay.
You never know. I guess we'll have to give you an update later. Alright. Guys, you know that causeway that was in yesterday's vlog? That's where Pete's friend is. We'll be back when she gets here. She's here.
Turn that off.
Turn what off? She's here. Oh no.
I saw you go like this.
I don't know how to get back there.
Are you vlogging?
Hi. Hello. Okay, she didn't want to be vlogged, but she will make an appearance. She actually showed up, which is quite a accomplishment. Trevor has just been sitting here all day. He's pretty sunburned, and he's still getting more sunburnt. But it's logic. Have you been thinking about what you're gonna say?
Sort of.
Are you ready, or should we come back later? Okay, so we're gonna come back later. Well, see, we're watching TV Guide. It's a pretty actually, it's a pretty fun channel to watch. You never know what you're gonna see. Those people can get wild on there. All right, well, we are going to go see Pete's friend, and we will be back with updates. Guys, we just ate dinner. We were swimming for a few hours before that. A lot of Pete's family showed up. It's just been a really good time meeting all of Trevor and Pete's family. It's really cool, actually. Now we're just kind of chilling out. Probably get back in the pool pretty soon. Yeah, I mean, that's really all that's going on. It's kind of just a kickback day today. Alright, well, we'll be back for more later. Okay, everybody, I don't know if you can see me right now, but Trevor has thought of his words that he's going to tell everyone. I don't know them yet. He's waiting to tell the vlog. Okay. Here we go.
Make sure to wear 2 coats of sunscreen.
Louder, please, louder.
Make sure to wear 2 coats of sunscreen, or you will regret it and have a bad tan line.
Oh. A bad... what?
A bad tan line.
Okay, 2 coats of sunscreen. Those are some great words. Thank you, Trevor. Thank you, everybody, for waiting this long to hear Trevor's words. Guys, we're on another Pokemon hunt. This time we're just riding bikes around the house, like the neighborhood. Hatching eggs mainly, actually. Yeah, I mean, today was not very fun vlog-wise. Sorry. There was just a lot that I couldn't vlog. Pete's family coming over. I didn't want to bring my phone out and videotape them. But yeah, we just swam most of the day. I got sunburned today, which isn't very good because I'm pretty hot right now. But it is what it is. Hope you guys had a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.